everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a subscription box review, unboxing, of this month's Pink Parcel, the June Pink Parcel. For anyone who doesn't know, Pink Parcel is a monthly subscription box for women. It kind of combines health and beauty, makeup stuff with sanitary products. So it stops you having to go out and buy those products. They're delivered straight to your door. The subscription box costs £12.99 a month, and that's including delivery. Or obviously if you subscribe for 3 months or 12 months, whatever, then you get a discount. This is the 4th Pink Parcel I've got, I believe. I love them, they're so good. I mean, for £12.99 a month, you get over £45 worth of products. 1 month, I think we got about £70 worth of products, which is unreal. I'm going to be talking you through it, so let's get started. So I haven't looked inside this month's box yet at all. This arrived yesterday and I saved it so that I could open it with you guys. It arrives just in this jiffy bag. The box is all hidden inside there. It doesn't say anything about what it is on the outside. It's all completely discreet and it fits through your letterbox, which is brilliant. So let's get inside. So once you take off this outer, oh, it's so pretty. Wow, look at that. Okay, so normally it just comes in, if I can show you. Oh my god. Okay, so it normally just comes like this inside, this pink parcel. This is what you normally get, and it's all sealed up at the front. You can tell that I haven't looked at this yet. This month they're doing a special raising awareness for women's rights. It's their processions box from 1918 to 2018, so the last 100 years. It's celebrating women's right to vote. It's such an important issue. It's really good that a box like this are representing this. It's fantastic. And this is just gorgeous. Look at this artwork. It's so nice. And it's got this little thing on the back. It says, celebrating women and advocating movements that have made a difference to gender equality is something we passionately support. And I'm sure there's loads of stuff on their website if you want to go and see it, pinkparcel.com. So that was a cute little surprise, but let's get into the actual parcel. So it all comes all sealed up and you peel off this tab at the front. Firstly, when you open the box, there are some leaflets inside that perhaps give you discount codes off of things that are inside, and it can ruin the surprise. So what I normally do is just grab those and take them out straight away so that I don't ruin anything. Also comes with a little booklet that says exactly what you've got, how to use it, and what the full price is, what the full price size is. You usually get a mixture of full price and, full size and sample size items. So let's open up. So usually when you open it up, this is what you will see. So you've got 3 boxes that say for you, for night, for later, and then this little bag. So I'll just go through those quickly for anyone who doesn't know what they are. So the for night box has all of your nighttime sanitary needs in it. When you sign up to Pink Parcel, they ask you questions about, you know, more intimate questions to find out what products you're likely to use, what you'll need, and they basically give you enough for a whole month. So it's really good. The for later box, again, just has a selection of the things that you chose. It really helps not having to go out and buy these things because you don't always think about it and people can be caught off guard. Then you get this little bag. This is a new design. You always get a little bag. The idea is to keep it in your handbag, travel bag, anything like that. And it's just got more of what you might have asked for. I always carry one of these around with me. This is a really cute design. It just says for now on the front, and it's this little kind of paintbrush design, I guess. It's really sweet and discreet. Great for like school bags and stuff. And then the bit that we all love is the for you. This is the bit we're all waiting for. So it just says for you, a little something to cheer you up, which I think is really nice. I should have mentioned that when you subscribe to Pink Parcel, you choose which date you want your parcel to arrive. So you could coincide it with, like, you know, a few days before you expect the products. And it's just a big pick-me-up. It's really lovely. So what I'm going to do is open this and just kind of grab something without looking, see what we get. If I can open it. Try not to look. So I'm going to put this down here. So the first thing we've got, I should mention that you always get 1 edible treat, 1 tea bag or coffee or something like that, and then the rest is all beauty and makeup stuff. The first thing I've pulled out of here are Tea Pig tea bags. I think it's probably just 1. And it's a sleepy tea, snooze tea. And it says feel good tea. It's really cute. apple, chamomile and lavender. It's so cute. I love little luxury things like this. It's just really nice. I'll be using that tonight. The next thing I've grabbed is, it's an antioxidant lip balm by the Organic Pharmacy. Soft and smooth with shea butter and rosehip to keep lips soft. That's really sweet. That looks like a full-size product. Oh wow, that smells really, really nice. And the next thing is, I can feel edible. Chocolate. So we've got this Montezuma's Crunchy Peppermint. Milk chocolate minted with crunchy peppermint. That's really cute. It's a little bar of, how big is this? 30 grams. But I mean, you can see next to my hand, like that's quite big. That's really nice. I imagine it's dark chocolate. They, a lot of the food that's contained inside these boxes is either dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free. They try and cater for absolutely everyone, but I've loved every single food product that I've got out of these, and it's just a little something, but it makes you feel special just when you need to feel a bit more special. It's really lovely, and also that is really heavy. It's really weighty. We're trying that later. David is not having any. Next up we have, it's another little tube. Toothpaste. Cinnamon Mint Marvis toothpaste. Wow, that's really cool. Toothpaste. I'm gonna have to smell this. Oh my gosh, it is cinnamon. Oh, that is so weird. That is so bizarre. I'll give it a go. It's a very strong smell of cinnamon. How bizarre. Won't find that on the high street. Next up, oh wow, so we've got this Girl Power liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick from the Beauty Crop. I don't know if you can see that. And it's cruelty-free, no parabens, vegan, gluten-free, nourished with shea butter and vitamin E. What shade is it? It's a surprise. Let's have a look. This has got to be a full size as well. Definitely. Oh, it's gold. Oh wow, look at that colour. That is gorgeous. Still doesn't say what shade it is. That is really lovely. It's a proper glass bottle. And look at that. I will definitely use this. There's normally a few different shades that you can get. They normally have about 4 and they're just sent out randomly. But I'm really happy that I got this one. It's really nice. Goes to the jumper. Yeah, I think this is the last thing. Oh, this is all, you know, women power themed. So we've got these little, I think they're hair bands. Yeah, they're the Bandsy bands. I'm sure you've heard of them. And they've got all these little slogans on that are really cute. So you've got women bring all voters into the world, which is so true. Equality, the time is now. And then the dates, and then the little female symbol. So cute, I love these. I'll probably just wear these as wristbands. Oh, they're so nice. That's so cute. So, so cute. And I think, oh no, wow. There's one more thing. A rose gold mask made with real gold and rose extract, and it just says moisturise. Oh, and it's by Vita Masks, and it's one face mask. Is it a sheet mask? Yeah, I think it's a sheet mask, and it says Korean technology on it. That's really cool. That's really weighty as well. I think that's got a lot of product in it. Wow, that's really nice, and that's obviously a full-size product as well. Cool. We almost always get a voucher for like HelloFresh and Ocado shopping, so you get 30% off your first grocery shop at Ocado, and £40 off, so £20 off your first and £20 off your second box with HelloFresh. Something which has always looked interesting to me, to be honest, but I've never really looked into. And then you get this pink parcel post, which has all of the information about the products that you've got in the parcel. So, Votes for Women Processions parcel, that was the theme this month. There isn't always a theme. It always has a small little blog thing that you can read, and then it goes into all of the products. So this mask would have been £5.99, and it's a full-size mask. This one is full size and it's £11. It's kind of average actually, I guess. And this one is only very slightly smaller than full size. It's like 2 mil smaller, and the full size is £13. So you've already got your money worth just in those 3 products. Tea bags, those are $3.99 for 15 tea bags. Obviously in here you've just got 1, but it's just a little pick me up to try. This would be £2.59 for the full 100 grams, so this is maybe like £1's worth. I think that's worth it. It's really dense, like it's so heavy. Bazaar toothpaste. This is 10ml for 85ml, it's £7. And these cute little bands are available exclusively from the Pink Parcel shop online, and these are £6.95 if you want to go and buy them. All of the products that are on here, the full-size versions, are available on the Pink Parcel website for you to buy, and as a subscriber I think you get a 10% discount or something. I could be wrong, but I think all subscribers get a discount. And then in here they just have some further information, their favourite women's empowering podcasts, all of those on there, which might be cool to check out actually. I think I'll give that a go. Then there's an opportunity to have your say on what was in the parcel, and I think if you send that, you then get more discount sent back to you. It's well worth. I think this is well worth the money. I've never had Birchbox or Glossybox or any of the normal makeup subscription boxes. I think it's just got a wider variety of stuff, and it's also useful at the same time. Feminine products as well. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm happy to do this every month. I'm not going to cancel my subscription anytime soon. I'll add up how much everything was worth in the box and put it on the screen now, just so that you can see how worth it is. I hope you like it. Leave a comment, subscribe, leave a like, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!